Welcome in a universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is why the contrast. What is the meaning of contrast? Just the opposite of what we desire. We always say that the universe has our back, the universe is supporting us, it is abundant, always ready to give us whatever we desire. But what we see in reality is just sometimes the opposite of what we desire. You want to be in a specific place, you are just in the opposite place. You want everybody to support you, but there's no support from people around you. Or you desire something, it is not to be seen. You are working hard, you cannot see the results. So these are the contrasts that we see in our life. So this video is about answering why the contrast. Why do we see the contrast? How do these contrasts serve us? Well, when you see the contrast, the first thing is you know what you do not want. The first thought that comes to your mind is, I dislike this. I just cannot tolerate this kind of behavior, this thing, these people, this place, or whatever you may be doing, wherever you may be, you cannot tolerate that. So the first thing is you make a decision, what you want, what you do not want. Otherwise, but do you need a contrast to make a decision, to decide what you actually desire? Sometimes yes, because we are going through our life in a very sleepy state. Every day we get up and just get going. Whatever we are thinking, the same thoughts, the same things we keep doing. Now, when you see a contrast, it awakes you for some time and then you are awake to your situation. This is nothing of this sort have I ever asked the universe. Now, what am I seeing around me? So now you make a decision. I want this. I do not want this. I dislike this. And this goes to the universe. So you have made a decision which is rendered to the universe and the universe starts working for you. So that is why you make your intention clear to the universe. Otherwise, we never make our intention clear. We are never clear about what we desire in life. So contrast, the foremost, most important thing is it helps you to set an intention about what you want. It makes you clear, and then with absolute clarity you are able to convey to the universe, look universe, this is what I desire. Give it to me right away, fast. You want to manifest that fast. Another thing is, it is very easy to talk about and read about attributes and laws of the universe. This is, yes, I know about patience. I know about you should not get angry. When you see the contrast, it is like the universe has thrown a test on you and now you show to the universe whether during difficult times you still have faith or do you start complaining. Look, I have been praying for so long and this is what I'm seeing in my life. You still have faith. You just know this is the contrast that I'm seeing in my life. Horrible things sometimes in the form of illness, in the form of not getting the right output of your hard work. But then, if you still have faith, that is the test from the universe. I know I dislike this. I cannot understand why it is happening in my life and still I have faith in the universe. Now the universe makes your manifestations come true. So this comes as a test for you. The third thing why these contrasts happen in your life is that your journey is an ongoing journey where you are trying to find your purpose in life, and it is not one purpose in life. You find your purpose, you start walking on your journey, new intentions are formed, new opportunities are seen. Now you find new purposes in your life, and that is how you keep growing and getting better as an individual. You keep learning and getting better. So as you are raising your consciousness level and your vibrations, lot of people will leave your environment, and many more people are going to join in the new environment, and it is quite confusing to see that sometimes the very people you have been with for years start behaving in a specific way which is quite amazing. It surprises you. But the thing is, this is something the universe is doing, sometimes removing people from your life, sometimes adding new opportunities and new people in your life. So what you have to do is, see, we are not doing, we are being done. This is something you must remind yourself every hour of the day. We feel like our logical mind will give hundreds of reasons. Oh, I worked hard, so this is the result of my hard work. I really believe a divine power is always working for us. Yes, you have to be pure in your heart. You have to do right things. Then the energy, the divine energy flows through you, and God uses you as an instrument to get lot of inspirational work done from you. So you are chosen actually for higher purposes, to reach out to people, to do something greater than you, which surprises you also. So there is some kind of upgrade in your body system. You will feel it. And you cannot explain it, you cannot talk about it, but you just know. You just know. So you see, these are the things which are part of the journey, and during this journey, these are the experiences you go through. The fourth reason why you see contrasts in your life is that you have to be brave to get to a higher level in your life. You have to be brave. You have to have attributes of patience, non-judgment, and lot of such attributes which align with the laws of the universe. And you need to take responsibility for your life. That is, you follow your own intuition, you take your own decisions, and take full responsibility for your life. Now there is no blame game. You don't blame others. Whole responsibility for where you are in life, what you have done till now is your own responsibility. So when you take charge of your life, it is because you have seen contrasts in your life, and that makes you so brave. It makes you feel like now, from now on, I am limitless. I'm going to make things happen. I'm going to take some real big decisions, right decisions, few calculated risks, but I must keep going. I must keep walking. So now it is not that you do not fear, but then you also connect with that space inside you which talks to you about fearlessness, about your limitless capabilities, and you decide or you choose to follow that. So in spite of the fears, in spite of you are learning during the journey, you still take one step forward every time. And it is not easy, but then once you decide you have to move forward, it is like a decision you make for yourself, because you have lot of self-belief and you have lot of faith in your own abilities also. And so the reason why you see contrasts in your life is the universe wants to see how badly you want your desire. Do you really want your desire? Are you ready for changes that you have to make in your internal universe, in your behavior, in your way of thinking? Are you ready to change your conditioned way of thinking? Are you a new person, or are you still stuck to your old self? So these are the things which the universe has to see to take you to the next level. And so the contrast that you see in your life. So now you know, you see, whenever you see difficulties in your life, you have to remember that whenever a seed goes inside the soil, it is in absolute darkness, alone. and it is like it is buried inside the soil. But no, it has been planted. It has been planted there. It has to wait there in faith and in the divine timing. The green shoots sprout from this seed, and you see, in time you can see how limitless the potential, in the latent potential was in that small seed. So that is the potential that we all have to discover within ourselves. So whenever you see contrasts in your life, you always will see contrasts. Something very different from what you have been asking. And sometimes nothing happening at all in spite of all the hard work that you are doing. These contrasts are for your own good, because you will not understand now. You can only connect the dots backwards. Later you will know what you were calling difficulties was for your own benefit. What you were calling as problems was to teach you something. Every problem that comes, every difficult person you encounter every day, any circumstance you encounter every day is for your own learning. It has come to teach you something. And guess what? Once you learn your lesson, these people, these circumstances will stop showing up in your life. That is the miracle. So learn your lessons fast and learn your lessons well. Well, you need to be patient to learn, because everything will come to you in the divine timing. So this is what we have to do. We have to keep connected with the source, because as you become more meditative and connected with the source, you become more fearless. You always remember you are limitless. You will never fear these difficulties, and you just tread on this journey through difficulties, through dark times, through illnesses, through negative experiences, with absolute equanimity of mind, balance of mind, because you have faith, absolute faith in yourself, your abilities, and in the universe. A person was going through a lot of difficulties, and he was like frustrated with so much of difficult situations arising in his life, and he started talking to God. God, where are you? Where are you? During good times you were there. I could see 4 feet on the ground. And now, when I am going through this period of darkness, I can see only 2 feet on the ground. Where are you? And God answered, I have taken you in my arms. That is why you can see only 2 feet. So always remember, the universe has your back. The universe is always supporting you, guiding you, and working for you in your favor. Though you may not be able to comprehend when you go through the contrasts in life. So always keep believing, have faith, and in time you will understand the design of the universe. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. You know it. I love you. I believe in you. Be the victor that you are and keep going. See you in the next video. I send you my love and blessings. Namaste.